Hi, my name's Cara Taylor, and I'm one of the co-authors of the Year 7 Deep Time to Modern Unit, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders, People's Knowledges and Understandings. I'm really excited by this unit and everything that it's going to offer teachers in this space of deep time history. We know that this space of deep time history can be confronting from some teachers, especially if they don't have the background knowledge in it. So we've done everything we can to make sure that you guys are set up, ready to go for this unit. So this unit has been co-authored with First Nation authors, and we've also checked it for cultural safety. So you know that you're getting really great sources that are appropriate and approved to use within your classrooms. The lessons are planned out one by one, so there's no experience necessary in the space of teaching First Nations, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders histories. So even if you are a seasoned history teacher who doesn't teach in this area, or a brand new out of field teacher, this textbook can really help you shape out what the unit looks like under the new Victorian Curriculum 2.0. We have taken the fear out of teaching First Nations history. People fear teaching it not because of what it contains, but because they don't want to get it wrong. So we've made sure that we've put things in place so you know that you're getting it right every single time. We've got a connection between culture and traditional knowledge, history and archaeology within this unit, so you know that you're covering all your bases when it comes to teaching Year 7 history. It's a really great combination. It's written to use as a unit as a whole, or you can dip in and out if you are an experienced teacher and use the really great sources and concepts and skills within the unit to teach your students. On concepts and skills, we have some really great sources. Like I've said before, we use some questioning and we make sure that our command terms are in there so you know that we're covering all of your Victorian 2.0 bases. Our online system also has lesson reviews and quizzes and some really great teacher notes. So if you are new to teaching, you can check those teacher notes and gain a little bit of a deeper understanding with some really great links to other places where you can do some further research yourself. It's strengths-based approach teaching. We're not looking at a negative case model, we're looking at a strengths-based case model with some really great sections in this chapter, like what is country and what is deep time and how do we teach that to our students? What is land and landscape and where is that importance? How did things change over time and how did our First Nations people adapt to that change? What are the technological achievements that were made from deep time to modern? What are some culturally safe protocols for preservation when we talk about archaeology side of things? It's a really well-rounded chapter to make sure that you are comfortable in teaching this great unit. Like I said earlier, you can teach it using the lesson chapters as it is. When we first started building it, it was going to be a lot smaller, but we saw the value in this education in the Year 7 space, and we made sure that we made it big enough for you guys to really explore and get your teeth into with your students. It's leveled well enough that it's easily accessible by all your students, both low and high, and can push them with some great questioning skills and some great text to read and engage with. We link through some of past knowledges with today's knowledges and how some of those oral languages connect with what we've discovered in archaeology in recent times. I'm so excited to share this unit with you guys because it's an absolute labour of love from a number of us here at Cambridge and outside. So I hope you really like it and I look forward to any questions that you might have about the unit.